Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a review of the Rype Good Bites. These are Coconut Classic. I saw these at the grocery store, they're on sale, so I picked one up. And here's the back, if you ever read the nutrient panel, you can do that. 4 grams of sugar per 3 pieces. But you see the unsweetened coconut, but then they put like brown rice syrup, so they could have just used stevia or just went with something else, but anyways. Let's do a quick taste test. This was on sale, so. And if you look here, gluten-free, nut-free, vegan. So let's open this up. Okay, so check this out. They are soft. There you go. Okay, so. It's like a toasted coconut, and it's soft, subtly sweet. Think of it like a Bounty bar, but less sweet, like 80% less sweet. So not bad. Let me check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please below. Subscribe to the channel.